here at the Holiday Inn Waterpark and Suites Hotel. It's formerly the Nickelodeon Hotel, and it's been renovated and turned into the Holiday Inn Waterparks Hotel. We're staying here in Florida for our vacation, and we are staying at this hotel for 6 nights. I'm just gonna show you guys what the 2-bedroom suite looks like. Let's check it out.
Sweetie, you know this man?
Pretty much it for our tour of the 2-bedroom suite here at the Holiday Inn Waterparks Hotel in Orlando, Florida. We're gonna show you around the hotel. It has a full water park with 2 pools. It has multiple water slides, and it has a mini golf park. It has a basketball court and many other amenities. So we are gonna check it out and bring you guys with us and show you what's up. So the Holiday Inn Orlando Suites and Water Park is located about 5 minutes from Walt Disney World here in Orlando, and we are about 10 minutes from Universal Studios. So if you are coming to Orlando to visit any of those 2 destinations, this is a perfect spot for you to stay with your family. And as you can see, folks, the place is well maintained and manicured. I'll have a link in the description below to show you what the 2-bedroom suite looks like here at the Holiday Inn Resort Orlando Suites Water Park. All right, peeps, so we're coming up to the check-in area here. This is the lobby. You can see all the cars pulling up, and we're gonna go inside through the check-in area here at the lobby and show you guys what the interior looks like. So this is what it looks like when you walk into the lobby. Follow the door out here to access the hotel buildings where all the suites are and go towards the water park. And just a reminder, it is $24 per day to park here. Here's a close-up view of the basketball area. And just behind the water park area here, you can see the mini golf area. Pretty interesting. So we're here on the opposite side of the building. There's not a lot of people parked on this side, but if your building where your suite is at is on this side of the property, it's probably better for you to park over here and just head in from this direction, and then you could get to your suite quicker as compared to parking at the front and then walking all the way across the entire property to get to here. check out this photo spot here, guys. They have this gigantic chair here where you can grab your Instagram photos. It's right behind the lake here at the back, and the water park is right behind us over here. And I'm just heading around to the marketplace. This is where they have the arcade, restaurants, and movie theaters. So we do have a lot planned here in Orlando. We're here for vacation and we're about to spend 6 or 7 nights here. We're gonna visit a few of the popular spots, including Legoland, Florida, which is a spot that we've been trying to visit for quite a few years now. So we're finally gonna get to do it. So here we have a map of the entire property. This is the marketplace right here. They have a Subway in there, the theater, an ice cream shop, and over here the Oasis pool, which we're gonna check out as well, is on the other side from the water park and lagoon pool, and we're right here in the middle. So we're gonna check out the marketplace and then we're gonna head over and see what the Oasis pool is like and show you guys what's up. Let's go. So we're basically walking the perimeter of the lake at the back, but let's check out the marketplace. So as you guys know, Florida is very hot, and walking from the exterior there to inside here is like such a change in climate. I'm loving the AC right now. But this is what the marketplace looks like. We have like a hideaway lounge here where they serve drinks. There's no one here right now. And then over here is the Lakeside Cafe, which serves the breakfast buffet in the mornings. Looks pretty nice in there. So I guess this would probably get very busy in the mornings. And there's a gigantic eating area in the middle here. On the left here looks like a Mexican restaurant, Sombreras Cantina. It's closed right now. Another food spot called Lunchbox Deli Style Subs. So you could get your submarine sandwich here. And then Antonio's Pizzeria. Around here it looks like we have a gift shop, a little convenience store. So you could come down here and get drinks, snacks, etc. They got chocolate, Disney themed merchandise over there. And over on the other side here, it's an ice cream shop, Hershey's ice cream. So you pretty much have everything here, peeps. You literally don't even have to leave the property. Right here you have brochures for all the theme parks here in Orlando, including SeaWorld, which is one of the major ones, a guest services bar. Some arcade games. Check it out. There's even a large arcade here for the kids. You can't ask for more than this if you're coming with your family. Over here they have another gift shop with more Orlando themed merchandise, theme parks and Disney themed merchandise. And that brings us back around to where we started. Definitely a place to come and get some food, hang out with your kids or your family, relax in the evenings after a heavy day at the water park or enjoying some other theme parks around the area. So let's take you guys to the Oasis pool now, which is the calmer, more serene pool that is not very popular, it seems. So I'm gonna walk over to it and see what it looks like. It's not as busy as the water park pool, which is the lagoon pool. That may just be down to the fact that a lot of people might not even know that it exists. And as I'm making my way to the Oasis pool, I found this yoga studio here, which is open daily from 8 a.m. till 10 p.m. There it is, peeps. Nowhere near as busy as the other lagoon pool on the other side of the property. Much more quieter over here, but there are still some kids over here, but not nearly as much as the other side. So there is also an exterior entrance from the car park into the marketplace as well. So you can get into the marketplace through here. That's the arcade over there. And we're walking in from the other side back into the section where the ice cream shop is.
15 minutes later.
And peeps, this hotel here is a lot of things, but it's definitely not small. There's about 14 different buildings here, and each building is its own tower with its own suite. So basically trying to find your way in this hotel is not easy, but they do give you a map layout of the whole property so that you can find your way to your room. And then in the center of the hotel, it's the water park, which is right behind me. And then there's actually another pool, which is on the other side. This is a huge property, guys. Check it out. If you walk towards the opposite end of building 7 here, you can see at the back of the property there is actually a lake. So just behind the trees here, as you can see, which is pretty serene. Alright guys, so in this section here you can see they have a restaurant and bar right here called Burger Theory. Over there you can see to the far end they have a basketball court, which is a half-size basketball court, and also a splash pad for little kids. Definitely gonna bring my daughter to do that. And there's some mini slides over here as well. As you can see, the large water park section is on the right side there, and then the large pool is just down the center of the property right here. They do have elevators, guys, on each building, but I'm gonna just take the stairs to get down to the first floor because I find the elevators are a little bit slow. There is elevators, so if you need mobility assistance to get up to your floor, there are accessible elevators. And as you can see, guys, they do have a drink machine, a Coke machine here, alongside a ice maker on each floor. So if you do need drinks or ice, you can easily get that at any time. That's pretty much it for our tour here of the amenities at the Holiday Inn Hotel and Suites here in Orlando, Florida. It is a great one-stop shop if you're coming here to Orlando and you want a great place to stay with food, beverage, things to do without having to leave the property. And it is in close proximity to many of the major theme parks. So definitely check it out if you come here, guys. We will see you in the next video. Take care. Peace.